Hey guys, it's Diane Mary. I have from Doll 10 Beauty a whole bunch of their holiday 2019 lip kits. So we're going to talk about them, we're going to swatch them. I have a corresponding blog post to this video. I generally think I'm a better blogger than like a YouTuber. The blog has still pictures with and without flash, all of them individually applied on my lips that I did yesterday, so definitely you want to check that out. I'll post a link below because you know my videos don't have the best lighting ever. I don't edit my videos, I'm real, I record everything once done through, so I say I say I'm not one of those perfect flawless beauty bloggers. I am who I am, so I'll just leave it like that. I did pre-swatch everything on the hand to point out for the video, at least I did that. Don't have anything on my lips right now, so I need to put something on before even talking about them because my lips are just craving some moisture. So we're just gonna go into one of the kits and we're gonna get some color on my lips. So this is a color called Nude Kiss, and I'll get to it more. It's probably my favorite color out of all of these colors that I just received. And Doll 10 did send this to me. It was gifted. I got no money. I'm getting not a dime, nothing for doing this video and or the blog post. I'm doing it because I want to. So there's that disclaimer. But this is great. This is one of the nude lip wardrobe colors, I believe they're called, or Rouge lipsticks. What are these called? Lip Rouge. They're very pigmented. Nice swivel bullet. Let's go. You just need one swipe on the bottom, one swipe on the top. They're so pigmented and buttery. By the way, guys, my hair, this is actually day 3 hair that I refreshed. It's still setting, but it's looking promising. I wanted to do this video while it was still light out to give the lighting somewhat of a chance. So my hair is not perfect. Oh well. So all of these kits can be found on doll10.com. And what did I do with that paper? Oh, here we go. There is a paper talking about all the different kits, just so I could leave that there. So, you know what? Let's start with the kit with the color I just put on. So this is the Endless Kisses Lip Rouge collection. All of the theme of this year, I believe, celebrate the moment. So all of the boxes are really pretty with this light pink and rose gold packaging. That kind of reminds me of New Year's Eve. Really cute. So they're perfect, ready to gift. Just wrap them or to you from you, which is my favorite type of thing to do. So the first collection is the Endless Kisses Lip Rouge collection, and this is a 5-piece collection. It sells for $38. The retail is $100, so right there is great. Get 5 of them. All of Doll 10's, all of the products now have like 10 or more active ingredients to treat your skin, treat your lips, treat whatever it is you're putting it on, and the goal of the brand is to help you get ready in 10 minutes or less. I have not achieved that yet, but I can do my makeup quicker than ever. So lip rouges, some of the ingredient call-outs are the sweet almond and jojoba oil, vitamin C and E, and something called DuraQuench IQ, which just says it allows for long-wearing true color to move on the lips. All Doll 10 is also cruelty-free, which is important to me. By the way, on the blog post, I also posted all of the backs of the packaging, so if you want to head over there and read more. So, again, this comes with 5 colors. On my actual hand, this kit is the second down with the 5 little dashes right over there. So very versatile colors. Let me show them to you. I'm not going to re-swatch them all. That'll be way too much time, especially since I have so many. But the one I just put on is called Nude Kiss, and this is a light pink cool tone shade. I just love light pink lipsticks and lipsticks in general, so definitely my favorite one of the bunch. Then this is called Cherry Kiss, and this is kind of, it's not like a true red, but it's a berry red, and it's really wearable. Really pretty over there. And you could always get these gifts and split them, you know, keep the colors you like, gift the ones you don't. And if you've never tried Doll 10 before, these kits are just a perfect way to dive into the brand, because Doll 10 has made some of my favorite lip formulas ever. I've been saying that for years since I've been doing my YouTube. Berry Kiss is another color. That is this one. Then we have this guy here, Mauve Kiss, Mauve, how do you say it? Which kind of looks a little more brown than what the mauves I'm used to. This Mauve Kiss is actually the 3rd one right under my fingernail. I was didn't realize that like mauves ran that brown, but this one does. Then we have over here Rose Kiss, another Really pretty color. And Doll10 lipsticks are also very wearable. The colors aren't anything extreme or crazy, so the classic lips, good for all ages, all skin tones, all eye colors, all hair colors. So about the Rouge lip formula, since the formula is not new and I've been using it for years, I'm very familiar with it. As you saw me apply, you need one swipe on the bottom, one swipe on the top, and it is going to be full coverage, very pigmented, so moisturizing. They smell so good. Wait, they don't smell anymore? No, there it is. Okay, it's a very faint vanilla scent. I think it smells less strong than it used to. I love it though. It smells like vanilla donuts. It's not overpowering, as you just saw. Long wearing. Of everything that I'm about to show you, I think the Lip Rouge is the second most long wearing. I have the liner, which is a little bit more, but it doesn't really come off for me. When I eat, if I do drink a lot or whatever, I can reapply, but it's a bullet. It's a swipe, done. Super easy to reapply, so not a big deal. And I love classic bullet lipstick formulas. Really great kit. Next one we have is Champagne Kisses. And just a reminder again, if you want to see the still swatches up close, see them on my lip, check out the blog. But Champagne Kisses is a 6-piece lip crayon collection. $38, retails for $96. Active ingredients in this is hyaluronic filling spheres, ceramides, aloe, and magnesium. And it's again 6 pieces. You don't need to sharpen these. They are self-sharpening. It says it's a collector's. It's 3-in-1 lip crayon, combines the color of a lipstick, shine of a gloss, and the nourishment of a balm. They're a perfect hybrid without the compromise, lightweight and non-sticky, comfortable to wear. Definitely agree. This set's going to be the very top with the 6 shades you see over there. So take them out. You get 6 crayons. And like the Lip Rouge, the bullet lipsticks, I love lip crayons. You know, I just like stuff you could get on really quick and easy. So something that you could just go swipe and not have to like be precise or perfect about. I really like. These are pretty. They redid the component. The component used to be black, but now they have all the pink and rose gold going on. So super gorgeous. I put these out of order. By the way, if you're ever wondering when I do lip swatches on my blog, how do I keep track? I alphabetize them when I photograph them, just so to make my life a little easy. So there's a life hack right there. So okay, let's do these in alphabetical order, which I did mess up. This color is called Bubbly. Now they said that these are all new colors, but I actually have this same color, the Bubbly, in the lip crayon, and it's one of my favorites. So I'm just so happy to have another one, because I was like clinging on to the other one, barely wanting to use it. But Bubbly is that first one right there. And again, you don't need to sharpen these, so you swivel them up, swivel them down. These are pretty pigmented too. I do think that Lip Rouge is slightly more pigmented, but these definitely are up there. So we got Bubbly. We got Fizzy, which looks darker here than it comes on, like, let me see. I'm left-handed too, and I'm trying to do this right-handed, so, but there you go. Did you see how it glided on, like, so easy? Oh, I missed. That's what you get for trying to swatch with your non-dominant hands, but, so we got Fizzy, and then, continuing in alphabetical order, got Poppin', which this is another favorite color of mine. It's another light pink. I'll just show you again real quick. That just went right over. Fail. Most people would probably redo that, but whatever. You can see these have a nice shine to them, but they're not like overly glossy, and you could build up the color in them as well. We have Poppin', and these don't last as long on the lips as a Rouge. You do need to apply these after you eat a drink, but again, it's like a crayon, and it's super easy. This is called Rose. This one threw me off because the sticker looked really light, and then the actual product is a bit darker, and it was darker than a usual Rose, but still pretty. Then we have, what's next? I think Savor. Yep, Savor is the next color. This is over here, and I'm gonna say it for the 3rd or 4th time. Check the blog post for better content, guys. Check. If you think I'm going too fast right now, go on the blog. And then this is called Sparkle, and this is a darker color as well. So again, this is the Champagne Kisses collection. $38 for 6 of them, which is honestly a steal. Like, buy this for yourself, buy it for your friends, for whoever. Hell, buy yourself a backup, why not, right? So, moving on, we're gonna do the Luscious Lips Lip Wardrobe collection. This is another 6-piece kit, and this is $34 with a retail of $78. Active ingredients include mango butter, sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, and the DuraQuench IQ technology. So this is, I want to say this was the first lipstick that Dalton ever did. Wouldn't swear on it, but I feel like it might have been. I know that this is like a unique like concept and component that I did notice other brands through the years try to copy. But what's cool about these is that it's one component, and I'll just show you one of them, and you get a gloss on one end. They do a foot applicator that actually hugs the lips and gives you the exact amount of product. And then on the other end of the component, you get one of those lip rouges that I was talking about. And they say 6 pieces because really you're getting 3 glosses and 3 lipsticks. But say you get this, and then you also get this Endless Kisses with the other lip rouges. You could swap them out and have different combinations. I mean, it's endless, it's fun, it's makeup, why not? So, read the ingredients. Okay, Diane, stay on track. So, the first of these 3, this is called Expensive, is the gloss, and then VIP is the matching lipstick. But you could see this color over here. It's a nice nude. These are the 3rd line down on my hand where I started to get a little messy because I am not the world's best swatcher. And then this is called VIP. Nice nude color. These are so elegant, I feel, these bullets. I just love them. Next we have this LV gloss, which is more of a darker, like, it's like a red berry, but it's not like a classic red. Fun fact, the only red lipstick I actually have in my lipstick collection that I've kept for myself is by Dalton, but it was way back when the brand was called Dalton, and it's probably old now, and I probably should toss it, but I'm probably not going to. See, this is a dark, nice holiday color if you're into these type of shades. And you know, if you get the kit, you might as well try them. You might as well play. You might discover something you didn't know you liked. Last but not least, my favorite duo of this trio, or 6, whatever you want to call them. This is called Pink Diamond. And this is a really pretty pink gloss. And then the other side is called $1 Million Lips, which is how these will make your lips feel. So pretty. Randomly just swatching colors here and there. So again, this is $34. I feel the deals on these are just kind of mind-blowing. So next we have In the Moment Lip and Liner Collection. Now this is actually, wait, where is it on here? I'm looking at my little sheet, guys. So lip and liner, Be in the Moment. Okay, it's $44, retail $108. For the $44, you'll be getting 3 of these boxes. They sent me 1 color, which is fine and awesome, but you'll get 3 so that they come individual if you do want to gift them. Each one comes with a liner, and again, the lip rouge that I've talked about and love. 10 and 10 ingredients in these: cucumber extract, licorice extract, and algae. So they come with a lipstick and a corresponding lip liner. And I think I mentioned it briefly before, the lip liner is definitely the most long wearing of everything. You could use it just to line your lips. You could use it and fill it in. If you go on my blog post, you'll see that I just lined and then I filled in with the color. So these colors I have, which is down here with the 2 over here. We have this color called Be Gorgeous, and to open this, you just twist it up, and this doesn't need a sharpening either. You just could twist it. If you, oh, no, twist it from here. Okay, why are you, oh, maybe not twist it? Put that stuff down. I haven't twisted it yet, so, wait, why is it? Alright, well, oh, it went down. Okay, so you do need to twist it. So, got this self-twisting liner, and then Be Gorgeous, and then we have the corresponding Be Radiant lipstick. Again, all wearable colors, and you'll get 2 more sets with another corresponding lipstick and lip liner. Anyway, so the last of the sets I have, this is going to be the Blockbuster, the Lip and Cheek Collection, and this is going to be a set of 9 for $46, retail $162. Same thing where you'll get 3 sets with 3 pieces in each set to total 9. I have one of the shades here, just like I have one of the shades up in the Be the Moment. So with these, the 10 and 10 ingredients in this one are hyaluronic filling spheres, green tea extract, aloe, and cucumber again. So let me take these out. One of them actually fell out. So again, you get that lip rouge, and there's a reason that they're including these lip rouges in every kit, just about. It's because the formula is phenomenal. It's so good. You saw me apply how easy. I wish you could feel my lips. Like, I have lip lines from drinking out of straws my whole entire life, which now are metal straws because I'm helping to save the world and I'm done with plastic straws. But nonetheless, whatever type of straw you sip out of is going to cause you lines. So I like that these fill in the lines, they're moisturizing, they make your lips look plumper, they just make your lips look nicer all around. But the color I have of this, and by the way, this shade, this set rather, is down here. This is called Stiletto. It's a pretty neutral pink, which I love. You know, I love my pinks. Then you have a matching gloss, which is called Swagger. Okay, how does the gloss smell? I forget. Oh man, that smells good. It smells like a donut. I love that scent. And you can see this is a different doe foot than the doe foot from the Nude Lip Wardrobe. That one is a little more huggy, but this is still easy to apply. I'm going to apply this even though I have the Nude Kiss lipstick from the other set. I'm going to go ahead and put this Swagger gloss right on over it. Because I can. Because there are no rules in makeup and you could mix and match. I just want you to see how easy it is to do. I was just using my viewfinder, and this side of my hair is more frizzy than the other side, and that's annoying. But shiny, not sticky, not tacky, smells great. I think it makes my lips look better. Good stuff right there. And then these also come with the Hydrogel Cream Balm. This color is called Stepping Out, and these you could use, there's a cute little mirror, cover that for the viewfinder. But these you could use not only on the cheeks, but also on the lips, and you could even use them as an eyeshadow if you want. So, those are the sets that I have from Del 10 for holiday 2019. Just wanted to put this video, show you guys a little of them. Please check the blog post. I think the blog post is way better. Again, you could get them on del10.com. They might come and go on QVC and HSN. If they do, they usually tend to sell out really quickly. And I have another set here that I'm going to talk about at another time. But if you are into eyeliners, they have the All I Need eyeliner set real quick. These are my very favorite liners for my inner rims, for my waterlines, because my eyes are really sensitive and things aggravate them. These don't, they stay on even if my eyes water. So good stuff. We'll talk about that another time. If you guys do like me, thank you. If you did find this video, even the blog, helpful at all, if you could thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe if you want, that would be super awesome. Hope you like this. Have a great day. Honestly, take advantage of these values. It's a great time to try this brand if you haven't, and I'll see you next time. One last shot of my mega swatch. Alright guys, bye.